In this video, I'll walk you through how to repay your Empower loan quickly and hassle-free. Whether you're paying off your loan early or making your regular monthly payment, the process is straightforward. First, open the Empower app on your phone and log in to your account. Once you're on the home screen, tap on the Loans tab at the bottom of the screen. Here, you'll see all the details about your current loan, including the amount you owe and your next payment due date. To make a payment, simply tap the Make a Payment button. You can choose to pay the minimum amount due or enter a custom amount if you want to pay more or settle the balance faster. Next, select the bank account you'd like to use for the payment. Just make sure it's already linked to your Empower account. Review the details, then tap Confirm Payment. And that's it. Your payment has been processed and will be applied to your loan. Paying on time helps build your credit and keeps your finances in great shape. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy finance tips and tutorials.